Unboxing tayo guys ng order ko from TikTok. Ayan. Buksan natin. Nagsabay silang dumating. So sabay ko rin binuksan. Kaninang umaga pa yan dumating guys. So yan yung mga order ko sa TikTok kasi medyo matagal-tagal na ako hindi naka-order. Namimiss ko yung ano na yan, coffee and juice. Kasi maganda yan, collagen yung juice. May collagen siya. Maganda siyang inumin pagka after workout ko. Kaya dati kasi yan talaga ang iniinom ko. So may free pa sila na pro melon. Ayan. Ang ganda niyang juice na yan. From Ana Magwakas product. Maganda talaga yan guys. Tsaka masarap siya. So, ayan. Ayan yung cantaloupe melon. Masarap siya. Hindi siya katulad ng ibang juice na iba yung ano, matabang or ano. Ayan, gusto ko yung lasa niyan. Ayan. O, cantaloupe melon. Mabango siya. Wala siyang sugar kasi ano siya, stevia ang gamit nila guys sa product nila. Kaya maganda siya. So, ayan naman yung coffee. So, ngayon ang in-order ko ay yung decaf na coffee na macchiato. Masarap kasi yung macchiato nila. So, ang in-order ko, ito try ko yung decaf.
In 1869, Ferdinand de Lesseps completed work on the Suez Canal, a huge achievement that made him a household name in France. Then, in 1880, he began work.
So, ayan, half kilo yan guys. Half kilo coffee macchiato decaf. Try natin yan kung masarap yung decaf nila.
The Panama tropical jungle is a far cry from the Egyptian deserts. While the Isthmus was chosen for its low elevation, it's still
proven na kasi sa akin guys yung juice nila kasi masarap talaga yan. Pati yung coffee macchiato. Pero hindi ko alam yung decaf nila na coffee macchiato. Bago nilang product yan. So titikman ko siya kung masarap.
Sure enough, construction ran into problems almost immediately with the excavation of this, the Guleba House. De Lesseps wanted the canal to be as steep and narrow as possible to keep work to a minimum, but constant landslides required the team to keep widening the trench to create a more stable bank. This is the Guleba House when it was eventually abandoned in 1889, and this is how it appeared after it was successfully completed in 1914. To make matters worse, the wet conditions destroyed the primitive steam shovels by causing them to rust. But worst of all, there were tropical diseases which tore through the workforce, labourers and chief engineers alike. The excavation of this short stretch of canal was such a disaster that it swallowed up.
Pwede kayong umorder niyan guys sa TikTok account ko. Meron ako niyan kasi affiliate ako ng TikTok. So pwede kayong mag-check out doon sa Yellow Basket.
And this is what it does. To avoid these